Good morning, dear kids. Welcome to Montessori 1 Maths class. This is your workbook, Wonderland of Numbers. Open your book page number 139. Say and write from 6 to 10. Make a curve and turn around. Number 6. Make a curve and turn around. Number 6. Make a curve. इस तरह से बेटा कप बना के और इसको इस तरह से. Number 6. Make a curve and turn around. Number 6. Make a curve and turn around. Number 6. Straight line and down जाएंगे. 7 is like 7 up. 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 8 is sleeping snake. अप से डाउन इस तरह से आना है बेटा, फिर बीच में यूँ सीधी लाइन ले जाके डॉट तक जाना है. डॉट से शुरू करेंगे, ऊपर से यूँ नीचे आएंगे, फिर इस तरह से, फिर यहाँ से मिलाएंगे ऐसे. 8. 8 is sleeping snake. 8 is sleeping snake. Number 9. 6, 7, 8, 9. Make semicircle, go up, come down. Make semicircle, go up, come down. Make semicircle, go up, come down. Number 9. Make semicircle, go up, come down. Make semicircle, go up, come down. Number 9. 1, 0, 10. जितना बड़ा 1 उतना बड़ा 0. 1 down is down, 0 round and round. 1 down is down, 0 round and round. 1 down is down, 0 round and round. 1 down is down and 0 round and round. जितना बड़ा 1 होगा उतना बड़ा हम 0 लगाएंगे. अब एक दफ़ा इसको रिवाइज करते हैं बेटा. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count and color it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Color these jellies. Count and color. Okay beta, it's your homework. Complete book page number 139. Okay beta, Allah Hafiz. Take care.